Welcome to Creating a Job Search Grid, presented by the Job and Career Education Center at Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. My name is Ria. The goal of this tutorial is to explain and demonstrate the value of a job search grid. A job search grid is a table that a job seeker can use to keep track of jobs to which they have applied. Using a table keeps the information organized and easy to read. A job search grid can be created using a word processing program or a spreadsheet program. The example used in this tutorial was created in Microsoft Word. This job search grid is the table that I use to track my job search. The information I've included makes sense to me and is a suggestion only. Feel free to include information that you think will help you to stay organized. This grid has 7 columns. The information includes a number, the company name, the last date to apply to the position title, information about the company or position, the date the application was submitted or sent, and any responses to the application. Each field is flexible. For example, in the website application information column, I sometimes include an application confirmation number, the specific location of the position, notes about the position description, or linked documents related to my application. The job search grid helps me to remember where I applied, when I applied, and what response, if any, I received. The colors used also help me keep track of my search. A gray position has been filled or closed. I did not get the job. A green position is a job I did get. An uncolored position is still open. To create a table in Microsoft Word, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Under Table, click on the down arrow. Hover the mouse over the grid to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in your table. This grid has 7 columns and began with about 7 rows. You can always add rows later. When the columns and rows you want are highlighted in orange, click in the lower right-hand box. The table will be inserted into your document. To add data to a cell of the table, click in that square. When you see the blinking cursor, you can type in information. Once you have created the grid, you can begin to track the jobs to which you apply. Beyond a simple list, there are at least 4 distinct uses for the job search grid. You can use the grid to illuminate trends in your job search. For example, looking at your grid, you may notice that certain companies never contact you. There may be something you can do differently when applying to this company to help you with future applications. The grid can also help you keep appropriate records of your search. This can be especially important if you are applying for unemployment benefits, deferments on student loans, and other services that require evidence of an active job search. The grid can help you when you receive calls in response to your application. By referring to your grid, you can remind yourself about the company, the position to which you applied, and other basic information. Being prepared always makes a good impression on potential employers. Finally, keeping a job search grid can help you manage the challenges of a job search. Having a grid can help you see the work you're doing toward getting a job. A job search grid can be a wonderful organizational and motivational tool. For other job search organization suggestions, please see our tutorials on file naming and creating an information reference sheet. Good luck with your job search. If you have questions about this tutorial, please contact the Job and Career Education Center at 412-622-3133 or jcec@carnegielibrary.org. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please help the Job and Career Education Center by completing a brief survey.